Hello everyone. Good morning. So I am back. I am Mombi at your service. So for today, I'm going to show you a short video presentation that is related to our lesson this morning. So sit back and watch. So when you were in grade 7, isn't it that you have learned about the measures of central tendency, which are the mean, median, and mode? Now that you're in grade 10, to the next level, this time you're going to learn about measures of position. Cool. Sounds exciting, isn't it? So what is your idea about measures of position? Are you familiar with this, guys? Let's see. So when we say measures of position, this shows where a certain data point or value falls in a sample or array of distribution. It can state whether a value is about the average or whether it is unusually high or low compared to the data as a whole. There are a lot of measures of position, but the most common are quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. So that's what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so let us begin with this. So these are some practical examples of the measures of position. So you see here a bread divided into 4 equal parts, which is quartiles. Then we have here a graph that is divided or shown into 10 sectors, and that is deciles. And then here we have in percentage form, so we have percentiles. So let us find out where are we going to use this one. So since there are two types of data, the ungrouped and grouped data, for this morning we will be particular only on ungrouped data. So when we say grouped and ungrouped data, so grouped data is data that has been organized into a frequency distribution since it involves large number of cases, whereas ungrouped data has not been summarized in any way since it has only few cases. Let's begin with quartiles. Quartiles are points that divide the data into 4 equal parts, and they are represented by 3 score points, which are Q sub 1, Q sub 2, and Q sub 3, in which the middle value here is the median, or also known as the second quartile. As you can see in the illustration, we have here one whole divided into 4 equal parts, wherein each part has equivalent of 25%. And for the first quartile, we can say it is also called a lower quartile. Then the middle quartile, or Q sub 2, is also known as the median, and the upper quartile, which is also the Q sub 3, or the third quartile. Next, we have deciles. These are points that divide the data into 10 equal parts, and this score point starts from d sub 1, d sub 2, d sub 3 up to d sub 9. As you can see, each part is equivalent to 10%. And then, as we have the percentiles, these are points that divide the data into 100 equal parts, and they are represented with score points from p sub 1, p sub 2, p sub 3, p sub 4, p sub 5, up to p sub 99. And they are represented in percentage form. Okay, so that's it. To know more about the percentiles or measures of position, let's proceed to our Zoom. Okay.